Then we have connected and unautonomous things. We've already talked about this, but in specific domains, there are wearables, where we have wearable devices that we have, and they support various healthcare, various services, various transportation devices, as well as protecting you, protecting your equipment, protecting your children. That's what these are about. Vehicles. Fundamentally, having vehicles with smart, intelligent IoT supported technology. You have one symbol here that's Uber, and we're going to talk about more about Uber as one of the domains of connected and unautonomous things that are supported through our smart IoT technology. Then we have drones. This is a drone era. The number of drones that you see right now are going to increase in massive amounts of number and portion, and they are going to play a wide range of services that are not being supported right now through drones or other robotic technology. This is one domain that is going to be your unautonomous things domain, in which various things are delivered, or various things are taken away, or rescued, or monitored, or governed. This is where drones will become very, very useful as well as essential components into our IoT domain. Robotics, of course. Robotics in various domains. Drones are a part of robotics. However, robotics also are talking about various other components. There are so many different types of robotics that are supported, and these domains can apply to us in microscopic levels in MEMS technology that are used to help our small computing devices to wearable devices to even implants that we put in our bodies. In addition, large-scale robotics that work at factories, smart factories that are working in various transportation and logistic movement type industry levels, all that is included. Machines. Of course, you need machines. And these machines have two domains. Some of them are mechanical and infrastructural, but some are also microelectronical. And some exist on both domains like MEMS technology, which have both micro level of electronics and micro level of mechanics combined together. These could be used to combine even larger mechanical infrastructure systems. And here, Atmel, as well as other companies that drive various smart machines, are all a big part of that. We're going to talk more about this in our following lecture. Smart networks. Once again, Internet of Things, IoT, is based upon the fact that everything is connected to a network that is connected to the bigger network, the mother network, the internet. Therefore, connecting to the internet gives you access to everything in almost everywhere. Therefore, smart networks, once again, is a necessity. It is something that drives and connects and make IoT possible. VPN and network security. Network security, I've already talked about. But in addition, virtual private networking, what is that? Well, various companies and buildings, and talking about the above boxes, which are drones and robots, you may want a separate private network controlling your drones and robots because you don't want other people to monitor, to use your resources, to defile your quality of service level that you're receiving, that may incorrupt your overall services, may create delays, may hack your system. You do not want that. And many services, especially luxurious-based services, high protected services, expensive protected services, want private networks. In reality, it is very expensive and very difficult to provide your own private network. So that's where VPN kicks in. This is a virtual private network. It's really not your private network. It is a public network. It is a shared network. It is a hybrid network that has a large capacity supporting many users. However, if you configure it the right way, such that you have a dedicated connection that is protected at a certain level, where your quality of service support is provided in a very reliable and secure and monitorable and administratable way, that is what we're calling a virtual private network. It is virtual in the fact that, no, it is not a private network. It is, you are on a shared network. However, you are getting all of the private network features that you want. and you asked for and you're paying for. That is why it's called a virtual private network. It is on a common platform, a shared network. However, you get all of your private network features through virtual special smart network technology. Ethernet wired. What can I say? We are connected to Ethernet networks. These Ethernet networks are what connect our computers and our Wi-Fi units and our Bluetooth access points and things like that to the backbone network. And every building, every home, every school will use some parts of Ethernet network connectivity that are wired, that connect your TV, that connect your personal computer, that connects the access point that is enabling you to use Wi-Fi in whatever region you're using. This Ethernet technology is so important, and it is based upon wire networks. That is why still Ethernet wire networks are showing such good growth and utilization, and they will become an integrated key component of smart networks. So they are very important. Platforms. You see platforms in various other services. This is unavoidable. IoT devices have various platforms. And new platform that is really easy to use, versatile, that will dominate the market. Everybody is looking for something like that. And if you have a good idea and a good way to support it, then evidently you have a good chance of making a big run in owning a big part of the blue ocean of the IoT industry and market domain. Here, we have 3 icons in here, and Samsara, I will talk about further details of this later on in my following lecture. Satellite technology. Eventually, this is the ultimate long-haul, wide area network connectivity. No matter what, being able to communicate from one side of the world to the other side of the world, being able to communicate from one continent to another continent. Satellite communication provides you with services that you cannot find in any other technology ever. Satellite communication also provides you with location-based service support, as in terms of providing like GPS, global positioning information, which provides you with your longitude and latitude information that you can find your position, you can find your location, so that you can use various location-based services, LBS technology. So automatically, satellites will play a huge role in smart networks because our smart networks are connecting things on other continents, other places throughout the world. And satellite communication provides one domain of wireless connectivity in a versatile way that is used in so many different applications. Then we have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology is one of the protocols that are the most widely used wireless technology in the world. It is so popular. It is on every smartphone. It is on almost every Ethernet network, has an access point that connects Wi-Fi overall. Also, think of your smartphone. On your smartphone, you have mobile communication, you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That is the common 3 technologies that support wireless and mobile connectivity to your smart device. Wi-Fi is a default option. Sometimes you may not have mobile communication. Sometimes you may not have Bluetooth. But if you have a tablet, a laptop, or some device, almost guaranteed you will have Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is so important, and yes, we will talk about this. We have a separate module that will focus on this, and in the broader scale for IoT service technology, we will talk more about this in the following lectures. These are the references that I used, and I recommend them to you. Thank you very much.